Good nutrition for a healthy mind and a healthy body. If we want to have healthy bodies, we need to treat them right. This means getting enough sleep at night, getting plenty of exercise, and following a healthy and well-balanced diet that is loaded with the nutrients our bodies need. Good nutrition is not just something you worry about if you are trying to lose weight. Good nutrition is part of a healthy lifestyle and something that must be practiced continuously throughout our lives. If we want to have enough energy to get through the days, we need to know about good nutrition and make sure that we are practicing it too. Good nutrition is essential for energy, and if we don't have certain nutrients in our diets, such as protein, we will not have enough energy to perform even the simplest of tasks. When we know about good nutrition, we know which vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients we need to have in our diets and which healthy foods we can find them in. One way to learn more about nutrition is to speak with a dietitian. There is also loads of information available on the internet, and you can find plenty of books about nutrition in bookstores and at your local library. Good nutrition can help beat stress. When we eat right, we feel good, not only physically, but mentally. But when we are stressed, we tend to reach for the comfort foods we love so much, such as chocolate bars and potato chips, and end up making things even worse. For one thing, when we eat junk food, we usually feel guilty afterwards, especially if we are trying to lose weight. This will just add to the stress level. Good nutrition is one of the keys to dealing with stress, and there are a lot of things that you can add to a healthy diet that will help. It is extremely important that we all eat a healthy breakfast every day, which doesn't always happen for a lot of us. When you don't eat breakfast, or don't eat the right foods for breakfast, your blood sugar levels will be unstable, making it difficult for you to function properly, because your body and brain have not received the proper nutrition. This can also lead to moodiness, and you may find that when you do not have a healthy breakfast, you are grouchy for a good part of the day. A lot of people swear by certain herbs, such as chamomile, and drinking herbal teas can be a great way to relieve stress. Green tea is also healthy and should be a part of your diet if you are trying to deal with the stress in your life. Cutting back on caffeine is also a great way to help deal with stress, and you should not have anything with caffeine in it after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, forget about having a cup of coffee in the evenings, unless of course it is decaf. If you are stressed out and feel like you must have something to munch on, stay away from the junk food and find some healthy treats instead. Nuts and seeds are always a good choice, because they are extremely healthy and are loaded with the protein that our bodies need to function properly. You may also want to snack on crunchy vegetables or sweet fruits, and as long as you don't load it with butter and salt, popcorn makes a healthy snack. While on the topic of junk food, it is a good idea to bring your own lunches to work, rather than grabbing something on your break. Chances are that whatever you grab is not going to be the healthiest choice available, and when you bring your own lunches with you, you can be assured that what you are eating is healthy and tasty. To be extra sure that you are getting a healthy lunch, eliminate junk food from your cupboards, and stock up on fresh, healthy ingredients that taste great and will provide you with the nutrition you need to stay healthy and deal with the stress in your life. As once you're in the habit of eating healthy foods, you will be less inclined to reach for junk food when you are feeling stressed. Good nutrition includes protein. There are 3 macronutrients that we all must have in our diets if we want to have healthy, strong bodies. These macronutrients are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Although we hear so many horrible things about carbohydrates and fats, there are good ones, and those are the ones that we need to get from the foods in our diets. And we need to make sure that we eat foods that are rich in protein, because it is responsible for the health of each and every cell in our bodies. Protein is essential for the health of our muscles and helps them to grow. When our muscles are injured or strained, it is protein that helps them to recover, along with rest, elevation, and anything else your physician may recommend. Protein plays a role in our eyesight, and it is what our hair, nails, and skin are made from. These are just a few of the reasons why we need to have protein in our diets. Protein can be found in a number of foods, with animal-based proteins being the only complete proteins, meaning that they contain all 22 of the essential and non-essential amino acids. Plant-based proteins are incomplete, except for soy, which is a popular choice for many vegetarians who want to make sure they are getting enough protein. As hard as we try, it can still be difficult sometimes to eat enough of the right foods, and we don't always get the proper nutrition. For this reason, a number of people are turning to protein supplements, which provide the protein they should be getting in their diets, as well as many other nutrients. Protica has a number of protein supplements available that will fit in with any healthy diet, even if it is a restricted diet for weight loss. As mentioned above, sweet treats are often reached for when someone is feeling stressed. Protein can help to ease stress, and Protica has created protein candy, which not only provides the protein you need to get through the day, but also that sweet treat that you are looking for. There are many other protein supplements made by Protica, and you can learn more about them when you visit the website at www.protica.com. Remember, if you are going to make changes to your diet, such as adding protein supplements, you should discuss it with your physician first, to make sure that you are making changes that are going to benefit your health.